we're putting in the LED turn signal vents in the Miata so we can get that good airflow. Let's put these in. All right, so inside of the box, we have got our 2 turn signal vents, our 2 LED bulbs, and our 2 resistors. And there's no instructions, but that's okay. We got you. Just gonna put the LED in there, and we're gonna be cooking with fire.
What the fuck does cooking with fire mean?
Dude, I don't know. Look at these! Wow, what are those? Out of the box, these are like really, really nice. I kind of thought they were gonna look like cheap plastic, but they definitely don't. Engine's breathing a lot better now. That's gonna help for power and cooling and all the good things. So I highly recommend these. Drop a like, subscribe, comment. Love to hear from you guys. Goodbye.